14.8 million Americans over the age of 18 currently have depression, while 3.3 million of the same age have anxiety. These invisible diseases are just a few of the things that can be solved by helped with pet therapy. In this speech, I'll inform you about the benefits of pet therapy and how it can help. And I'm incredible to speak on this because of my first-hand experience with pet therapy as well as my extensive research. First, I'll explain to you all what pet therapy is. Then I will explain the types of animals that are used and how they're trained. And lastly, I will explain the benefits regarding problems that can be helped. First, I will discuss what pet therapy is. According to Mayo Clinic, animal-assisted therapy is a growing field that uses dogs or other animals to help people recover from or better cope with health problems, such as heart disease, cancer, and mental health disorders. Pet therapy builds upon the bond that is already pre-existing with humans. So, where you currently feel a connection with animals, pet therapy just makes it stronger to help make you more confident and comforted. It can provide comfort and enjoyment for nursing home residents as well as people with depression, anxiety, and many other issues. For example, imagine you're in a hospital and a doctor comes up and asks you if you're interested in their animal assistance program. You say yes out of curiosity, and a little while later, a dog and their handler comes in. You sit with the dog for a while, pet it, ask the handler questions, and a little while later they leave, and you realize for the first time in a long time you're smiling. These are the kind of things that animal-assisted therapy will help with and how it can increase a person's confidence and self-esteem. There's another subcategory of pet therapy, which is shown right here, where therapy dogs are brought into classrooms to be used to help children learn or increase their reading ability and their confidence in the classroom. The children are brought in and they read to the animals in order to build self-esteem and confidence and increase their reading, vocabulary, and comprehension skills. Now that I have discussed what pet therapy is, I'll discuss what kind of pets are used and how they're trained. According to Animal Planet, dogs are the most common therapy pets, but horses, cats, and even birds have been known to pitch in. I've also heard of fish being used, and obviously, like, there's a cat down a hospital there, and a pig in a nursing home, and who's a guinea pig there. I've also heard of chickens being brought into prisons to help inmates. I don't know what to help them cope with, but apparently chickens are helpful to inmates. But those are the kind of animals that are used. While the training is the main part of the process, the handler must be just as adept to deal with the dog as well as the people that they're helping. Because dogs are the most commonly used animals in therapy, I'll explain training as it relates to them. According to Rachel McPherson, the founder and executive director of the Good Dog Foundation, therapy dogs are trained through multiple session training courses that use positive reinforcement and patient reward-based methods. They get basic dog training like you would teach your dog how to sit, how to lay down, but they also are taught to be calm and relaxed. The training sometimes works for more excitable dogs, but it's usually the most relaxed and calm dogs that are found. They learn basic obedience, relaxation, and socialization skills. Now that I've discussed what kind of pets are used and how they're trained, I'll discuss the mental and physical benefits of pet therapy. People who spend time with pets in general have stronger immune systems, they live longer, and they have lower blood pressure. So for people who have real issues that need to be helped, the benefits of pet therapy are even greater. Petting and talking to the animals will lower stress, and pets can be shown to be great listeners because they usually don't respond, and they provide unconditional love in most situations. The many benefits range from improved fine motor skills, increased self-esteem, decreased anxiety or loneliness, developed social skills, a decrease in blood pressure, heart rate, and stress hormones, and many other things. Pet therapy is useful to many ranges of different kinds of people, including patients undergoing chemotherapy, vets with post-traumatic stress disorder, mental health patients, stroke victims, stressed out college kids during finals week, and people with fears of dental or doctor visits. In conclusion, the purpose of this speech was to inform you all about pet therapy and its many benefits. I first discussed what pet therapy is, then I discussed what kind of pets are used and how they're trained, and lastly I discussed the benefits. I'll leave you with a quote. Not every person knows how to love a dog, but every dog knows how to love a person.